I slept well. It's a quiet morning. I still have time. School starts later.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Mom. Breakfast smells good.
Eat well before school.
Are you ready for school?
Almost, Dad. I'm leaving now.
Have a good day.
The air feels fresh. I like mornings. People are going to work. Everyone looks busy. The shop is open early. I'm still on time. I don't need to rush. I should wait here. Safety is important. That lady walks very slowly. She has many bags. Something fell. She didn't see it.
Oh. I can't bend down.
She looks uncomfortable. She needs help. If I stop, I may be late. School will start soon. She is alone. And she has many bags. I should ask first. That is polite. Excuse me, may I help you?
Yes, thank you.
I will pick this up.
Thank you.
You dropped many things.
Yes, I did. I have too many bags.
I can carry some. These are not heavy.
You are very kind. My home is nearby.
That's good. We can walk slowly.
Thank you.
Time is moving. I may be late.
Are you going to school?
Yes, I am.
I don't want to make you late.
It's okay. I can help first. School can wait a bit. Is your home here?
Yes, just there.
This place is calm.
I live here.
We don't need to rush.
Thank you for waiting.
It's getting late. School will start soon.
My keys are here somewhere.
Take your time.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Helping is important. Even if I'm late.
I found it.
That's good. We are here now.
Yes.
I will put these here.
That helps a lot.
It's really late now. School has started.
I'm sorry, Tom.
It's okay.
Would you like some water?
No, thank you. I should go now. I need to hurry.
Thank you again.
You're welcome.
Take care at school.
I will. I must run now. I'm very late. My heart is beating fast. I feel nervous. Class is starting. I'm late. I should keep going. Don't stop. I can see the school. I'm close. The bell rang. I'm too late. Everyone is in class. I feel scared. The hallway is quiet. That feels strange. My class is here. What should I say? I need to tell the truth. I must be honest. Sorry I'm late.
Tom? Tom, why are you late?
I'm sorry.
Come here, Tom.
Yes, teacher. I know I'm late.
Tom, why are you late?
I'm sorry.
Come here, Tom.
Yes, teacher. I know I'm late. I broke the rule.
Why did this happen?
I stopped on the way. I saw a woman on the street. She needed help.
What kind of help?
She dropped her bags. She is pregnant. She couldn't bend down. I helped her.
You know our school rule about time.
Yes, teacher. I understand the rule. Being on time is important. I accept my mistake. I am ready to take responsibility.
Would you do the same again?
Yes.
Even if you are late?
Yes, but I will be careful. I will try to not be late again. I promise.
Thank you for being honest.
Thank you.
Helping others is important.
I believe that.
I will not punish you today.
Really?
You did the right thing.
Thank you, teacher.
Please take your seat now.
Yes, teacher.
He helped her. That's kind.
I feel calm now. I'm not scared anymore.
The teacher was fair.
Yes. My heart is slow again. I feel relieved.
Class, please come in.
I can study now. My mind is clear. School is over. It was a long day.
I keep thinking about today.
I helped someone. You're home.
Yes, Dad.
How was school?
I was late.
Late? Why?
I helped a woman. She is pregnant. She dropped her bags.
That was kind of you.
Thank you, Mom.
You told the truth.
Yes? I promise to be careful.
Good.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks.
Rules are important.
Kindness is important too.
I learned something today. I can do both.
If you liked this story,
Please like and share it.
Subscribe for more simple English stories.
see you next time.